Want to know how to update your personal information in Remitly? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Remitly.com website. So once you have done that, make sure you are logged in as well. So once you have logged in here, you should be seeing your interface right here, and on the top right side you should be seeing welcome. So you can just simply select it, and now once you have selected welcome, you can just simply select settings right here. So right here you should be seeing profile information. This is your personal information which you can change from. You can change it from name, address, phone number, password, language, and your sending to sending from, and much more. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you change your personal information in settings. You can just simply select edit right here to change it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day. See you in the next one.